Okay guys, we are back in Edmonton and we immediately grabbed the vehicle and we're heading on the road to go check on our projects. As some of you guys know this, we picked up a bunch of new properties right before we took our vacation.
Yes.
Now that we're back in Edmonton, we need to go check on those properties. Gabby, you haven't even seen these yet.
Yes, I think I saw one of them maybe when we were viewing it, but I haven't seen the others. So I am excited to go check them out. We also need to put together kind of a list of stuff that needs to be done at them before we can get them rented out. So handyman, furnace cleanings, cleaners, what else?
Plumbing, electrical, and a bunch of other trades.
Plumbers,
we got lots and lots of work to do.
Yeah.
That, and we haven't checked on some of our garden suite projects,
Yes.
development projects in a few weeks, so we're going to go and check in on the progress of those.
Yes.
So we will show you guys that in just a second.
Okay, so we are in the basement suite of one of our newest acquisitions, and we are going through the inspection.
Yeah, so what we did, and this is really smart, when you take possession of a property, I don't know, I mean, every property I've ever bought has always had a few things that need to be taken care of once you take possession. So what I normally do is just print out the home inspection report, and then go through it, do a walkthrough of the property and see which things need to get taken care of, and see if we can find anything else that needs to be taken care of as well.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going through right now. We're just going through the home inspection report. We're going to see what we find. We found a few other things as well. Just a couple door handles need to be changed, and some things that got left behind. So we're just creating a list right now.
So one other thing you guys probably heard about was the homeless encampment at this property.
Yeah, unfortunately, there was a tent set up in the back, and some people were living there. Now, we went away to Kelowna, as you guys know. When we came back, it turns out the encampment is gone. So thank God we didn't have to deal with that situation. I'll show you here really quickly what this looks like. Yeah, so this is where... It's a nice little spot, actually. I mean, if you think
that's
about
what
it.
I said. I was like, perfect.
It's a perfect little spot to set up a tent and set up your a place to sleep. But no, that's you're not allowed to. That's our property or our neighbor's property. All right, so change of plans. We spent way too long at that property, and we just decided we're going to stop and get dinner. So we'll fill you in on the rest of it a little bit later on. But thanks for tuning in.